What's up guys, welcome back to Rooms for You. Today let's look at latest ArrowOS 12 beta running on Xiaomi POCO F1. The build is based upon Android 12. To begin with, let's quickly get into About Phone session. The ROM is based upon Android 12 and uses security patch from 5th October 2021. Kernel they are using is XD 1.2, which is a Linux 4.9 based kernel. Moving forward, under system settings, there is option for gesture settings. You will be able to select gesture navigation or 3-button virtual navigation from here. Both are working pretty good. Under system update, you will be able to see the last Google security update time. It is 5th October 2021. You will be getting the Google security update from this channel. There is option for multi-user and you will be able to create or switch in between users from here. Also, there is guest option available by default. You will be able to switch in between guest and normal user pretty quickly. As you see, the switching is pretty smooth here. Moving forward, under security session, there is option for screen lock, fingerprint and smart lock as well. The ROM is not encrypted out of the box. Fingerprint here is faster enough. There is no presence of IR face unlock nor face unlock. Maybe in future builds we will be getting a option for IR face unlock. Moving forward, under display settings, there is option for adaptive brightness and dark theme switching. Tap to wake is here, but I didn't feel it is working pretty smooth. The notch hiding is missing from display settings. After doing a search, I was able to find out under developer option. And there is no option for hiding notch completely. Few options are present, but I didn't find any of them useful. Moving forward, under battery session, you will be able to see the minimal status of battery. There is battery manager present, as well as you can enable or disable battery percentage from here. You will be able to see the per app battery usage as well. There is no pixel thermal switching available as of now. Under notification settings, you will be able to manage your notification behavior. There is option for bubbles, but I didn't see that is working as expected. Since it is Android 12 based ROM, the ROS panel here got the new look and feel. By selecting edit, you can add more tiles to here. But there is no option for SPS info for now. The screen recorder here is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. But after enabling it, I was not getting a good experience. There is major lags noticed while app opening. After finishing the screen recording, the UI was totally frozen kind. I was getting really troublesome with touch response. So let me quickly reboot the phone once. After rebooting the phone, the performance is back to normal. I did notice that under recent menu there is presence of last opened apps cache and it is totally unusable. So I did try to take screenshot or try to reopen it, but nothing was working. So I did try to close all of them and reopen the application. Recent menu works pretty smooth now. The another important feature I should talk about this phone is the phone temperature. I did notice that the phone is very well with handling temperature. Even after checking benchmarking as well as the CPU throttling test, the phone was only heated up to 40 degrees Celsius. Out of the box, the phone does not pass us Saftynet checks. And if you come to SC status, it is by default permissive. If you are someone who is concerned about security, this is something you should consider. When talking about benchmarking, out of the box, AnTuTu scores 3,38,000 plus. And Geekbench scores for single core 315 and multi-core 1031. Which are not at all pleasing scores for Snapdragon 845. Another cool thing I noticed here is the charging notification. The ROM does support fast charging as well. When comes to power menu, the power menu does got emergency lockdown, power off and restart option as well. All these options are working as of now. We did talk about lockdown in my earlier Android 12 reviews. And next is to check the offline charging animation. Let me quickly power off the phone as of now. So as you see, the ROM does not got any offline charging animation. It just stuck on the band logo. Another issue I noticed with this ROM is sometimes if you are rebooting your phone, you may stuck with boot logo. After doing a forced reboot, you will be able to get back into your ROM properly. And yeah, there are some bug fixes they have done from the last build, like Bluetooth device addition. It does works good from this build. Overall, the ROM is pretty initial. As they mentioned, it is at beta state. So there are many bugs present. As of now, the ROM can't be considered as a daily driver, not for gaming. So that's it guys, this is all about ArrowOS 12 beta. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.